Hey everyone, it's been quite some time since I've actually recorded a video for y'all, but I just want to share a very quick Christian Louboutin sneaker unboxing, and it's just been very crazy. I hope you are all doing safe out there, but definitely let's get this started. So this one is going to be the Vieirissima Orlato flat calf. It's a sneaker. It's navy blue with the white rubber outsole. I got it in a 36.5. I got the point 0.5, the half size larger, just because I'm going to be wearing socks with them. And they were $795, and I got them from Neiman Marcus. All right, so as we start unboxing this, originally I had the actual audio so you would hear like the crunching of the paper and stuff, but I had to do a voiceover for this because the video on my phone just went crazy. Usually I'm not used to recording on my phone, but I couldn't find my charger. But this is what it looks like. Got a lot of tissue paper. We have the shoes right here. As you saw earlier, it came in a white with two white dust bags. Usually I'm used to seeing the red, but white this time. These are the shoelaces. I'm not going to pull them out because they just look like regular shoelaces in case they get torn or shredded for your first pair. You may not be able to see this on camera, maybe in the next shot, but these are actually a very dark squid, like blue-black color, and it's got a lot of different types of textures to it. So I like the contrast of a very dark color with a very light color, as you see with the shoelaces being white and the rubber outsole being white and the bottom being red. It's just absolutely a great match of different colors. There's some texture in the bottom. It kind of feels like Vans in a way. On the top here, you can see like the croc embossed patent leather, and then the cap on the toe that's a little bit more subdued, not so shiny. And then the rest of it, you see little dots, but that's just dust and everything. You can easily clean it off. This is actually a cotton. I did think about spraying them first before I actually started using them, but we'll see what happens. And then on the back, you're going to see the same thing with the larger patterns of the croc embossed calf skin, and then you see a little more little scales at the heel. Inside, you'll see that really creamy cafe, like coffee colored calf skin. And it's so comfortable. It's very padded. Bottom, you've got your Made in Italy little stamp right there. Your huge Christian Louboutin logo just right across from it. It's just lovely. They're so much more durable being rubber outsoles versus the leather outsoles that we're so used to seeing. I usually get all of the heels, of course. So, seeing this is and being able to try these on, they're so much more different. I feel like they'll have a lot more longevity. Over here we have all of the grommets. They are silver tone, and we also have two of them on the side for venting purposes. We will be using a shoehorn today because with dressy shoes or dressy sneakers, it's just a little bit stiff in the back, and you want to make sure the heel doesn't collapse. So you want to use a shoehorn whenever you try on these shoes. And we're going to be trying them on in just a second. All right, let's see if we can one-hand this. But I've got my shoe here. Shoehorn, I'm going to pop it at the back of my foot, and it's going to go slide right in with no issues whatsoever. That way, your shoes don't collapse. It doesn't have that little really weird sagging heel thing on the back. All right, I've got two shoes on, of course, and they are so comfortable. It's very padded. A lot of people, my friend said that she's not really used to leather insoles, but I do guarantee you over time, you're going to love it. It's just, these shoes look so great, and I just can't believe it. You can even tell in this voiceover, I'm so excited. But you don't have to worry about like stinky feet with with leather insoles, and that's just something that I'm so excited about. Once again, those are the Vieirissima Orlato flat calfskin sneakers. I absolutely think that they are a great investment. You can definitely check out more reviews. They look very much like the Louis Jr. or the Louis Jr. ones. And the back, I will say, as I pointed out right there, that this reinforced heel, it's a little bit stiff. But over time, so I do feel it rubbing at the back. It's a little stiff, but over time, it will soften. You just need to, kind of get your bearings on, wear some socks, and make sure you just soften up that area a little bit over time. And that's just with normal wear. And you won't have to worry about it. But originally, as you can see here, I originally wanted Chanel espadrilles, But turns out with all the reviews I've seen, they don't do well with rain, and I live in a very rainy and humid climate, and so it's just not a no-go, completely no-go. And I felt like this would be a way better investment. And so here are the shoes. I absolutely love them. If you guys have any questions, comments, please leave them down in the comment section. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions whatsoever, I'll be happy here to answer any of them. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!